Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to SSC CHSL paper 2015. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll try and basically focus on the VRC section of the paper. That is, we'll focus on a few questions that we have seen in the previous year's paper that have come in the previous year's examination as well. What we'll do is we'll try and identify the question and also analyze what kind of questions are being asked in this examination, and also we'll try and look at the ideal approach towards solving the same. Okay. So having said that, let's focus on the question in front of us. These questions are more of para-jumble kinds. Okay. So let's see. The first and the last part of the sentence of the passage are number 1 and 6. The rest of the sentences or passage is split into 4 parts named P, Q, R, and S. These 4 parts are not given in any proper order. Read the sentence or passages and find out which should be the correct combination. Okay, find out the correct answer. So basically, first part and the last part are fixed and we have to find out the rest of the sequence. Okay, so having said that, let's start off with question number 79. We have 1 and 6 fixed. Though the government, it is fixed and also has upset the plan. Okay, so now we have though the government, the growth of population has undertaken series of plans and for raising standard of living of people and for the economic development. Okay, though the government has taken, if you look at you, who has taken? The government has taken. So R will come here. Okay, hang on. If we write R has taken a C. Okay, we don't have anything starting with R. Okay, so no R in the option. So let's see. Okay, so R will stay. So, oh no, sorry, my bad. Q. My bad. This is Q, right? Sorry, my bad. Q has come up here. Though the government has taken a series of plans for economic development. Okay, for economic development. So forward plans for economic development, the growth of population. Okay, the growth of population has upset the plans. Oh no, hang on. Economic for raising standard of living. And there's an and over here now. So and is necessarily, it should come after something. So what it can come after? It can come after the plan for economic development. So yes, R can be here. Yes, R can be here. And finally, the last one is P for the P, the growth of only subset of plans. So QSRP. So if we QSRP, option A is our answer. Okay. Now let's move to question number 80. 1 and 6 are fixed. The glorious tributes were paid who after fighting a battle with cancer, the original superstar of Bollywood, passed away. Were paid. To whom it was paid? To legendary actor Rajesh Khanna. Okay, so S will be here. And what did Rajesh Khanna do? Who after fighting a battle with cancer, followed by P, passed away. Rajesh Khanna, hang on. Then we cannot use Q anywhere, right? If we use the okay, so we can do one thing. Read Q. The original superstar of Bollywood. Who is the original superstar of Bollywood that we are talking about? We are talking about Rajesh Khanna. So S and Q will come front of it, and then it will be followed by P and R. So SQPR. SQPR. So SQPR. Yes, option C will be our answer. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Let's move to number 81 now. Again, 1 and 6 are fixed. A volcano is an opening or rupture on the planet's surface. Okay. So first we started off with something, an introductory sentence about volcano. So erupting volcanoes can pose many hazards. Okay, so we are talking about the eruption of volcanoes. This allows magma, ash and gases to escape from the surface. Okay, so the hazard which we are talking about is being mentioned in point Q. So P and Q might be related in some sorts that way. Okay, let's read further. Volcanic ash can be a threat to aircraft. Okay, volcanoes are generally found where tectonic plates are diverging or converging. Okay, so yes, if we go with this one, this if we further study the same video, then what we can say, volcanic ruptures. So what this opening? Okay, see here. Volcano is an opening, right? And this opening. So these two sentences are related. So one will be followed by Q. Okay. Then this is talking about eruption of volcano, and this is talking about the hazards. Okay. So next up, what we can follow this up with, volcanoes are where volcanoes are generally found. So Q will be followed by S. Okay. Q will be followed by S. And now about R and Q, volcanic erupting volcanoes can pose. Again, yes, P, it will be followed by P, and finally R. Okay, because P is talking eruption and R is talking about P is introducing us to hazards and R is an elaboration on the hazards. So QSPR, 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 QSPR will be the correct answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. And now let's move on to the last one. Again, 1 and 6 are fixed, so it will be 82. What gives some person, okay, what gives some person torturing physical pain after experiencing, after loss of precious loved ones, the power to fight on? Okay, power to fight on. Who is fighting on? Some person. So basically 82 will start off with S, to fight on after loss. Okay, fight on after experiencing. What gives a person? Let's see. What can we have to fight on after the loss of prefer after experiencing? So this S can be actually followed by fight on after the loss of precious loved ones. Yes, we can after experiencing torturing physical pain. So Q and P will be one pair. Okay, so Q and P, basically Q and P will come in somewhere around here. Q and P will be together because what gives some after experiencing torturing physical pain. Yes, after loss of precious loved one. Yes, R should be here. So SRQP should be our answer. That is option C will be the correct choice. So I hope all the 6 points are clear. So one idle basically technique that you can use as far as solving this kind of question would be formation of pair. So make sure you start forming pair like the ones we did in the last question 82, forming a pair. That way it becomes kind of easy. Okay. So hopefully everything is clear to you. In case you have any doubt with regards to the way we solve the questions or any way we eliminated the question, go through the video and try and connect with the explanation we have given for solving the same. Okay, that should be ample to clear all your doubts with respect to how to go about this kind of question, basically paradigmal kind of questions in general. Having said that, in case you are looking to get yourself a fully solved paper of the same, full solved paper including the VRT, the QA and LRDI section of the same, feel free to connect with us. So what you can do in such a case is basically you can go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details pertaining to our contact addresses like our website link, or you can find our email address and the numbers on which you can call, text or WhatsApp. You can mail us, you can visit our website and connect with us on that way, that front as well. Having said that, in case you have any kind of doubt or query with respect to your exam preparation or any kind of subject-wise doubt or any question-wise doubt, or in case if you need a general guidance with respect to your exam preparation for any competitive examination, we'll be more than happy to help you out. So please get in touch with us in case you have any of such. So having said that, if you like the video, make sure like, share, subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. We'll be continuing our discussion with the similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos, wherein we'll try and cover a bit more topics pertaining to the different sections. So until then, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.